Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is about the thoughts that have been running in my mind during the entire period of lockdown. Because of COVID-19, India is currently in its 4th lockdown. We don't know if it will be extended or not, and during this entire time I have some thoughts which have come to my mind, and today's video is a heart-to-heart conversation that I want to have with you guys. So if you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I come with new videos every week for you guys. Also, before we get started, let's talk about this hairstyle that I got really recently. I think yesterday only I got it. It has some cute bangs and I've added a hair band to it also. So I pretty much like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new hairstyle, because you are going to see a lot of it whether you like it or not in my all videos, because that's all I have got now. Okay, so let's get started. So during this entire 2-3 months that we have spent by ourselves, a lot of thoughts have come in my mind, and so the first thing that came to my mind is number one, privilege. Like most of us are watching this on a laptop or on a smart screen or something like that. So if you are watching it on a smart screen during a pandemic, you do realize your privilege. Like most of us take things for granted. We have a roof over our head, we have Wi-Fi, we have the basic food that one can ask for. So we have a lot, and so that's why we should always be grateful. You have seen so many news channels covering the condition of migrant laborers and so many other people who are struggling so much, like financially and health-wise also. You should be grateful. So first you should recognize your privilege, and this was a perfect time to understand and be thankful to God or whatever you believe in for your privilege and be grateful for that. The second thing that I have realized is essentials are enough. What I mean by this is, most of us complain that we don't have enough. We have this consumer kind of driven kind of a mentality on which the entire industry and the whole world runs, which makes us feel like we don't have enough for ourselves. But during this entire time, most of the lockdown, most of the shops were closed, the e-commerce sites were not delivering initially, so only essentials were available. So even if you are craving to buy a new top or something like earrings or whatever you want to buy, you don't end up buying because you don't have the access to it. So when you don't have the access to it, you spend days without it. When you spend days without it, you realize how much little time, or you realize how much little that thing is important in your life, how much little you need it. You can understand the difference between your wants and your needs. So you realize actually what is essential and what is not so essential. So this was the perfect thing that the lockdown has taught us. The third thing is, give less importance to some people. What I mean is that how many of you have got friends or relatives who checked up on you every day, or who called you, or who messaged you 10 times a day, like even once a day? I don't have a lot of them. So most of the people you could not meet during this lockdown. And so in many cases it was like out of sight and out of mind. So if you have those kind of friends or family in your life, then I feel like you need to give them less importance. You need to understand who are your real people who will always be there for you, and you need to spend more time with these kind of people who are close to you during this pandemic, even when things get better. The fourth thing that I have realized is, you can never have enough time with yourself. What I mean is, you may think that I have spent so much time in quarantine, I have spent so much time in self-isolation, I can't wait to meet other people. But trust me, you can never have enough time with yourself. During this time, we have discovered so much talent about ourselves. Like I, for instance, started this YouTube channel. Like I never thought that I can start a channel of my own, but I did it, and I'm sure like most of you have come up with something new or something like that in your life. You have this, some of you are cooking, some of you are dancing, singing, and that's great. So when you spend enough time with yourself, you discover your hidden talents, you work towards your goal, and you realize at day's end you have only got you, and the lockdown made you realize that. The fifth and the last thing that I have realized during this lockdown time is, we are always rushing towards something. What I mean is, most of us lead a very fast-paced life because of the job or because of whatever reason. So we are always rushing towards something, towards achieving our goals, towards meeting a deadline or whatever it is. during lockdown slowed down things, slowed down our life, and it is very important in life to sometimes take a step back and to just reflect on life and to reflect on yourself and how far you have grown and to look at your future. So because we got so much time, I felt like having this conversation with you guys that I have realized over the course of time. Let me know in the comments what kind of thoughts or what you discovered about yourself during this lockdown, and I'll be back next week with more videos. Till then, keep watching my previous videos and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.